Jiangsu CLAYTON Machinery was established in 2002. We have 20 years of research and development production experience. We have a factory area of 10,000 square meters for research and development and production. There are 62 employees in our factory, including 10 technical engineers, 10 electrical engineers, 5 other office and management staff, 5 groups of assembly staff totaling 15 people, 17 production staff, and 5 after-sales service staff. CLAYTON Machinery endeavors to provide high-quality machine and satisfied after-sales service. Our machine products including pipe bending machine, pipe cutting machine, rolling machine, punching machine, laser cutting machine and pipe chamfering machine. We undertake to offer the best and most technologically advanced equipments that are directed to enhancing efficiency and productive in your operations. Our team always tries to provide complete and thoughtful proposal to customers by our speciality and experience. What is more, CLAYTON Machinery has world-class research and development team which can ensure we can design professional and innovative machines. We can also offer overseas installation, training, maintenance, commissioning for each client.